So we just pulled up to this U-Haul spot. Got the homies Evan, Blake, and Rum. We're about to go check it out.
Can't forget.
See it, motherfucker? You see it?
Dude, let's just put it on top of the camera, 2 angles.
Yeah, motherfucker. Tripping.
Is this an exclusive? Can we show this on the vlog?
It's unreleased.
Unreleased Carhartt cons. This is the spot right here. It's actually a lot bigger than I remember. And we gotta watch out for all these cars. Sheesh.
Yeah, we in Vegas. We out here.
Yeah. That was fire, bro.
Awesome.
I know.
Drip.
Week? Yeah. Sounds good. I'll hit you up Thursday or Friday.
I don't know how y'all do that. Oh, you got it.
Oh! Oh, that was gas.
Fuck yeah. So sick. Sheesh. That shit did some damage to my wax. Now we're gonna run it back the other way. Shoot it up. And I need to wax this board too. I just got it, so I haven't even waxed it. I mean, No, it's gonna hurt pretty bad for a while.
Let me
You
see.
jammed it on here?
Yeah, no, he got it inside.
My fucking finger was flat, bro.
For real?
Damn.